Hi, in this video, we'll have an high-level overview of AIS Accounting Information System. Once you click the icon on your desktop, so this is the login screen that you will see. You need to select a company. You can create unlimited companies. In this group, there are four companies. So you should select a company which you want to do the transaction, enter the user ID and password. These are case sensitive. On clicking enter, you come to the home screen where you will find the top menu bar. This bar is for creating a new company or for activating license or maintenance or seeing your license status or maintenance status. And you can see who is the person who has logged in. The person who has logged in is Rohan. And there is a log off button once you have finished your transactions. So you will have five tabs. You can move between these tabs by using control tab. The first tab is transaction tab. You can move between the tabs using control tab. Second tab is transaction tab is a tab for doing any transaction. In order to do a transaction, you need to have an role access. Reports is for generating the reports. You can generate wide range of reports. Master data and settings. This is how you implement AIS and you control AIS subsequently. So AIS is purely front-end based implementation. It takes around 5 days. That is, you fit all your entity into these generic master data, AP master data, AR master data, settings and all. So this is how you implement and you control. And user management is for creating a new role, new users, and giving them the role access and role access. Self-service. Some of the transactions that you find under transaction tab, you find under self-service also. The reason is once an organization grows big, it is not possible for a small team or accounts team to do a transaction. So say like if you want to issue an purchase request or a purchase order, one can go to self-service. So under self-service, it doesn't need a role access. Anyone in the organization can raise the request under self-service. But anything done under self-service, first it will go to the immediate manager, his or her manager. Then it will follow the approval flow. If some that is anyone can in an organization can raise a purchase request, it first goes to the approve is immediate manager and it follows the balance approval flow and the purchase request get converted to purchase order. Similarly, sales team can issue a quotation. First, if it is done under self service, it will first go to the manager and it will follow the approval flow. The reason is once the organization grows big, the team get diverse and the people actual close to the transaction, they can do the transaction without needing to go to accounts team. My task is the pending tasks. So under transaction tab, you will have accounts payable starting from material store receipt entry or accounting an invoice, accounting a vendor payment or accounting an employee payment, batch payments. When you make a payments using, if you you can generate a batch payment file and you can load this to the bank. Similarly, this is for purchase agreement management. You can create a purchase agreements or you can see the balances, purchase requests, and rising purchase request. And similarly, under accounts receivable, starting from here, you can issue the quotations. It can convert it to the sales orders and all. And you can raise an store billing request. You can account an invoice, account a customer receipt. You can dispatch the material items, and on a single click, you can do data follow-up or this is for issuing the gate pass. If you have activated the gate pass mechanism, you can click on this gate pass. And these buttons are for this genre is for journals and onboarding. So you can in AIS you can download the journal template and you can load the journal template. That is through Excel you can load the journals, big journals, very easily and very fast. And this is for onboarding. If you are moving from a different accounting software to AIS, this is the first time onboarding. That is for one time balance movement from there. So this is for year closing and this is for revaluation. And we have certain month and task owner where we have automated prepaids, deferred revenue, deferred expenditure, one click provision of expenses, revaluation, and others. Similarly, this is a manufacturing genre and as well as a service genre. So this is for manufacturing manufacturing genre, either for consuming goods or manufacturing goods. This is for timesheets. So timesheets under self-service, people can clock the time, and those timesheets can be further be processed subsequently. So this is the manufacturing genre and as well as service genre, and this is the accounts payable genre, accounts receivable genre, journal genre, month end and year end genre, and this is self-service. And you will see the reports tab, various types of reports, master data tabs for implementing and as well as the subsequent controlling AIS, user management for creating the users and giving the role access, and my task is the user personal tasks. So once this is done, just click log off. That's it. So this is a high level overview of AIS. Thank you.